My name is Fireman, and I'm giving this to you because of your birthday. Okay? Hold this, my friend. Big up yourself. Enjoy your day. You understand? Bless upon yourself. Make sure you reach in safe enough. You have to help the people because Grace will help it. Remember say from me and lick up it, you know. Grace will give me free things at primary school, you know. Remember say I'm the normal thing. Remember say my favorite dish in the ask never kid when say, you know. Take them telling me say I'm bully the national dish to the day, yeah. Make no change. So me and Grace, I'm asking a question. Hold on, I'm ask Grace a question. I'm going to talk to the manager them a little bit. I don't know if the cameraman there want to follow me, you know. I'm ask you a question. Me I eat Grace from me little, you know. Me I tell them, you know, from me a little picnic, me I eat Grace. Now watch this. You see Grace? Corned beef, mighty. Now watch this now. Watch this now.
Careful, now.
Relax on yourself. Watch this now. But tell them say that I'm from primary school days. And I know me can't get the ambassadorship deal. So me need me ambassadorship deal to go and tell it on the mountain that Grace is the food. Eh? The boss a come. The boss a come. When the boss tell the boss I'm on here. Tell him, hello Papa. How you doing? You alright? What's your name? Huh? Zaire? Tell me what name? Sir? Isaac. Prophet Isaiah. Listen to me now. You can spell? And spell? I want you to spell one thing for me. Think you can try? No, not one. Spell Grace. Grace, yeah. Spell this on my shirt. Come on, see that? Spell this. Better yet, look at me. Say G R A C E. What that spell?
Grace.
Come here, Papa. Do something for me. Come tell me what you want on this table here. Listen, me take him now. I go back to some face and I take him video now. What you want on the table, Papa? And this one, hold it. Make sure you give mommy one of them and nobody eat stuff, you know. You hear me say? Make sure you give mommy one. Where's mommy? Pine for mommy. Pine for mommy. Pine for mommy. See? Show the people. Bad man, you know me. Show the people them, yeah. Pine for mommy now. Pine for mommy. Go and give one of them to mommy. Watch him to now. Thank you, Papa. Remember, say I believe the children are the future, you know. Teach them well and let them lead the way. That we say. And we say no violence against women and picnic. That we say too. Watch him to now. And where you get them Michael Jackson finger there from? Big up yourself, Papa. One Isaiah, never two nor three. Big up to everybody going to Reggae Sumfest. We'll meet you over there. We and the Grace team going over there. We're not going to Sumfest. Ask Boss Lady, you know, because Boss Lady are going like, we're not going to Sumfest, you know. I don't understand what she are doing, you know. But we are doing, we're not going to Sumfest. We're not going Sumfest.